Welcome to Cape Town, South Africa, and in today's video I'm not only going to be showing you the tallest residential building in Cape Town, but also one of the most luxurious. Welcome to 16 on Bree. I'm going to start by showing you one of the 2-bedroom units that the building has to offer. As you can see, it has absolutely exquisite finishes. Having a look here through the very modern kitchen, quality finishes, Caesar stone countertops throughout, beautiful gloss finish. And then we'll head out onto the private balcony that this 2-bedroom has to offer. And as you can see, there is absolutely exquisite views of the cityscape surrounding it. So we have some views of the stadium there at the back, and here we're looking all the way to the Paarl Mountains, and that you can see in the distance. Also views of the ocean and the waterfront. Absolutely stunning. This is going into the 2nd bedroom here. So as you can see, it's very nice and spacious. It has its own ensuite. Both rooms are ensuite in this offering here. There's central heating throughout. Each of the rooms is individually controlled. Here we have the ensuite for this specific room, very nicely sized and with a luxurious shower. Here we're looking just at the same room from a different angle, just to show its size and the absolute luxury that you're giving here. This is the main bedroom for the unit, and as you can see, it's a very good size. Also centrally controlled heating throughout this unit, as you can see there against the wall. Ensuite as well, of course. Beautiful views from the main bedroom. Ample cupboard space throughout. And extremely high ceilings, which is something I like about these specific units. Downlighters throughout, and just an absolute beauty. And this is the ensuite for the main. And here again, as you guys can see, absolutely no expenses have been spared with the finishes in the bathroom. So luxurious showers once again, ample space, and just look at the sink. And just before we get to the penthouse, I just wanted to talk about the amenities that comes with the building. We've got the pool deck and a lounge area here on the outside. Obviously there's the outside gym, and of course the absolutely stunning views you get from everywhere. And now finally the moment we have all been waiting for, and this is the penthouse that we're looking at now, right on top. And as you guys can see, it is 251 square meters of absolute luxury. It's got extremely high double volume ceilings in the main living room area here, flanked by this beautiful kitchen. Again, no expenses have been spared. It comes in fully kitted. And just look at that. We're gonna have a look at the kitchen again now. But first, the absolute selling point and highlight of this unit is of course the views from the balcony. Just look at that. That is a view you can't get anywhere else in the city. Just looking over the cityscape in absolute splendor, going all the way from the ocean, all the way around the Paarl Mountains in the backyard, high above every other building. And just look at that view of Table Mountain, Lion's Head, and of course Signal Hill. You absolutely can't find this anywhere else. So now we're going to be heading back, and now heading inside, we're getting another look at this absolutely gorgeous lounge area. And going in for our second look at the kitchen, you'll see there's absolutely no expenses have been spared when it comes to the finishes. You've got Smeg ovens, and of course it comes fully kitted out with the fridges and the machines there at the back in the scullery. Just the absolute pinnacle of luxury with this massive island overseeing the living room area, perfect for entertaining if you have guests and friends and family over. And with absolutely, just look at that view you're getting. This is the scullery area, as you can see, again fully kitted out with only quality Smeg machines. And now heading into the first of the 4 bedrooms. Each of the 4 bedrooms is en suite, 2 is on the bottom floor, and then there's 2 more on top. This is the 4th and the smallest of the 4 bedrooms, and as you can see, even with that being said, it is very spacious, and of course magnificent views. There's no room, or even, I would even venture to say, corner of this apartment that does not have spectacular views. And yeah, you can just see the quality of finishes. Also completely sound blocking windows, so you don't hear the wind. Here in Cape Town it does get a little windy sometimes. That will not bother you in this unit at all. Just look again at an example of the finishes. Now we're going into bedroom number 3. So this is the second largest bedroom, very similar to the main bedroom. But again, just look at the size of this ensuite. It's got both a bath and a double shower, space all the way around. And now heading into the room itself. As you can see, again, very nice and spacious. We're gonna get a better look at it now. Just let's first have a look at the absolute selling point, which once again is the views. You get views again all the way from the ocean to the mountain, and just look at that. Imagine waking up to that every morning. Getting back in here, of course. So now we're gonna get a good look of the room itself. Again, absolute quality. Nothing has been spared. Now we headed upstairs, and I just wanted to give you a little view of what you see from on top of the stairs. This is obviously the living area we were exploring just earlier, and just absolutely stunning. Now heading into the 3rd bedroom. As you can see, absolutely spacious again, even though this is the 3rd biggest room in the penthouse. Once again, en suite like each of the other rooms are. Perfect even for potentially a study, or of course a guest bedroom. And now the time we've all been waiting, we're heading into the main bedroom here. And going through the door, we've got the ensuite again to the left. And then just look at this room. It is absolutely stunning. High ceilings, downlighters, very spacious. It's got an extra little nook there and ample cupboard space both on the left and the right. And just look at that. Just panning around to give you guys an absolute idea of the size and luxury that we're dealing with here. And then of course the ensuite, can't miss this, very similar to the one below. They are mirror images of each other, so similar size and luxury. And then of course we're going out to the thing that matters the most to anyone that will be buying this apartment. Just a look out of the main bedroom of the views that you can expect in this unit. Imagine waking up to that every morning, and that view of Table Mountain, and once again 180 degrees the other way to the ocean. Absolutely stunning. Guys, thank you so much for joining me for this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider giving me a like and a subscribe. The support really means a lot. And if you have any interest in any of the apartments or similar projects that you've seen in this video, I'm going to leave more information in the description below, so please go and check that out. And otherwise, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.